Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, special award function held at Blast Furnaces Department. Several initiatives taken by Town Engineering Civil Department to improve the quality of life in the township. And program on gas safety organized at HRDC. Now the news in detail. A special award function was organized in the Blast Furnace Department on 4th June to felicitate the contract laborers for their exemplary contribution. Mr. Atanu Bhaumik, GM Blast Furnaces, presided over the function and handed over token gifts of appreciation to Mr. Ram Gursundi, Lancer, and Mr. Akash Singh, Polclean Operator of Messrs. Pranab Kishore Swine. Present on the occasion were Mr. A.K. Mistry, DGM Operations, Mr. Sumit Kumar, DGM Operations, Mr. S.K. Behra, DGM Electrical, Mr. S.C. Panda, Deputy Manager, Personnel, INS, other officers and staff of the department. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. Bhaumik commended the hard work and commitment of the contract workers and exhorted others to emulate their dedication. It may be noted that the contract workers were awarded for working effortlessly for 4 to 5 hours in Blast Furnace 1 metal runner, lancing the clogged slag to make a passage for the hot metal to flow. This helped in avoiding metal overflow in BF number 1. The metal separation was halted due to slag clogging near steamer plate. The program was coordinated by Mr. S. Behra, Junior Manager Personnel, Iron and Power. With the objective of improving the quality of life of the people living in the steel township, a number of initiatives are being taken up by the Town Engineering Civil Department. By using waste plastic for road construction for the first time in Odisha, the department has in the last fiscal laid a stretch of 1 kilometer road between Rourkela Club to Shaktinagar Chowk in Sector 2, Rourkela. The shredded waste plastic mixed in coal tar was used in road construction. For reuse of rainwater, 7 rainwater harvesting recharge pits have been dug in different locations. 38.57 kilometers of roads within the township have been repaired and recarpeted. In order to benefit the general public and the vegetable vendors, open market platforms with public facility had been constructed at Sector 22, that is the fertilizer township. A second entrance gate to the Rourkela railway station was constructed near Gopabandhu Palli and Timber Colony. The impressive gate has been constructed with RCC foundation with columns along with pipe supports over column. Beautiful tiling work has also been done on RCC column areas. As a complaint redressal mechanism, call center based complaints registration and management system was launched in Steel Township. With this, complaints can be lodged through an all India toll-free number operated by the call center service provider. With all these interventions, Town Engineering Civil Department has been making all-out efforts to improve the quality of life of its township residents. Gas safety is an important aspect in a steel industry. Several hazardous gases are introduced and emitted in the making and formation of steel. To reduce the invisible hazards posed by gases and ensure an injury-free, illness-free working environment in the plant, emphasis has been laid on gas safety awareness program. In line with this, a 2-day program on gas safety was organized at HRDC on 5th and 6th June. In all, 17 employees in the grade S1 to S11 participated in the program. The program focused on gas hazards, their detection and control, safe working practices while working at height in gas-prone area, maintenance practices of gas pipelines, adoption of safe procedures of lighting up and shutting down the furnaces, water seal operations and safety precautions, safe usage of gas, safety appliances, fuel gas generation, distribution and cleaning methods and gas safety instruments and their use. The sessions were conducted by expert faculty from Energy Management Department. The program was jointly coordinated by Mr. S.K. Acharya, Manager EMD, and Mr. L. Marandi, Assistant Manager HRD. That's all for today's news. Namaskar.